All right, now we can see here for number 6 that there's a bunch of stuff missing. Well, let's give it a try. All right, so we got x plus 4. And we're going to have this super long division bar. And we're going to have x to the 6th, but we don't have any x to the 5ths. And we have a negative 16x to the 4th. But we've got no x cubes. We do have 1x squared, no x's, and a minus 16. Wow. All right, let's deal with it. All right, what times x is x to the 6th? That would be x to the 5th, right? X to the 5th distributed gives me x to the 6th plus 4x to the 5th. I'm going to subtract these guys. Those go away. And this is a minus 4x to the 5th. All right, I'm going to bring down my minus 16x to the 4th. What times x is negative 4x to the 5th? That would be negative 4x to the 4th, right? So let's distribute. That gives me a negative 4x to the 5th minus 16x to the 4th. Subtract that, and everything goes away. We're left with a 0x to the 4th, right? So we're going to bring down that 0x to the 3rd. That way we have something next to it. But since we have 0x to the 4th, I can, if I want to, put a plus 0x cubed here, right? And x times the 0x cubed, it gives me 0x to the 4th. Since I have 0x cubed, right, so this is gone, you could bring down that plus x squared if you like, and I could multiply x times 0x squared. That would give me my 0x cubed, right? Plus 0 if you distribute it. So again, there's nothing here. Those go away automatic. But I do have this x squared, and I bring down my 0x. What times x is x squared? Well, that's an x, right? X times x is x squared, and then plus 4x. Subtracting, those go away. 0x minus 4x, that's negative 4x. Bring down my minus 16. And what times x is negative 4x? That would be negative 4. That gives me negative 4x minus 16. Right, when you distribute, subtract that, that all goes away, and we indeed have a remainder of 0. All right, so this is crazy. Try not to get too hung up on it, right? With all the arithmetic, you got to have really, really good bookkeeping skills. But let's clean this up, all right? So we have a remainder of 0. So we know that x plus 4 is a factor. And it's because r equals 0, right? 0 remainder. Now, if you want to be super, super cool, we could also tell the reader that we know that x plus 4 times x to the 5th minus 4x to the 4th plus x minus 4 equals x to the 6 minus 16. All this business. Alright, that's going way above and beyond. Full explanation of the entire problem. But this is really what they're asking for right in here, right? Okay, so your homework tonight, regardless of the directions, I'll remind you on Canvas, you're doing long division. Alright, good luck with your homework.